Hello, you. You. Welcome to my channel. So let me show you a simple meditation techniques. In India, we put sandal paste here, or bhasma which Shiva put on all over his body here, or maybe charcoal paste, or maybe red powder, things like that. So why we does it? Because here is something called consciousness magnet or conscious magnet. What is this conscious magnet is about? If you talk to someone who is actually blind, you could understand that he is capable to get the direction without using his eyes. And what is that giving him a direction? Imagine that you closed your eyes and you know which one is the front and which one is the back. Or if you walk eyes closed, you don't lose your consciousness. It's because there is something called consciousness magnet or the conscious magnet. And you know there are Aghori sadhus in India. Those are Shaiva sannyasis or Shaivites. What they does? When they get a dead body, they do certain pujas on that dead body. It's because that energy which made that dead body or the body when it was alive, there was a certain energy which made that particular body to walk. So when people are using this dead body, or when Aghori sadhus or the Shaivites are using this particular dead body, they first put fire here. They put karpura. Karpura is a flammable object. They put a flammable object on the middle of the body here and they burn it. And what happens? The skull will crack. This is the first puja they does. And why? Because they are releasing the consciousness of that dead body. So that is the reason in India people knows there is a power, the third eye. It has a power. That is where the consciousness lies. So we use sandal paste, charcoal paste or red powder, things like that to put here. If you want to cool down your body, you have to put charcoal paste here. If you want to heat up your body, you have to put charcoal paste here. So that is why Shiva like the charcoal. So now I will show you a simple pranayama that is instant stress reliever, or it will give you an instant stress relief wherever you are or whenever you are. To do that, you have to take your fingers like this, then put these two fingers on the middle of your head like this. Then close your nose with these two fingers. You see, like this. Then the nose which is opened, take the breath in. Once the breath gone inside, close that nose with this finger, okay, with the thumb, correct? Now close that ear, close that nose, and when the breath is completely in, you have to observe what is that going on inside of you. Just observe, maybe 4 to 5 minutes, sorry, 4 to 5 seconds. Whatever you are comfortable with, 4 to 5 seconds is fine. When you start with that, 4 to 5 seconds is fine, then you can increase it up to 10 seconds or 20 seconds, things like that. Once the breath is in, close the nose and release it through other nose. Then once it's gone completely out, repeat this process. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. 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 12 times every day. 12 times every day. Whenever you feel your energy is lower, whenever you feel you are stressed out, whenever you feel the uncertainties are going on in your life, do this particular pranayam. It will keep you energetically active. I run a website called irunsyoga.in. The why I did the website something like this, or what is the reason behind let's say what are the services you can get from this particular website. So the website, or through the website, I am offering 3 services. One is astrological reading. You see, the planetary position when you got birth could reveal many things about you. Even you could make alterations on your own self in order to achieve greater heights through yantras, mantras and rudrakshas and things like that. There are a series of Vedic reading series. If you go through those series, you will understand how this thing is working. So it's a kind of engineering on the self. I would not just call it as a simple engineering, rather it is cosmic engineering. Now the second thing I offer is My book. I have written a book called Cosmic Engineering and Orgasmic Continuum. That is based on the knowledge which I had by traveling across India and to talk with people from different background, countries and different languages, different culture and things like that. And also it has four of meditation techniques. So that is the one thing. And the third thing which you can see in my website is the empowerment program. And what is that mean by an empowerment program, and what is the necessity of an empowerment program? See, the real nature or the common nature of the men is being in blissfulness. But what happens when he grow up or when he go through so-called life? There will be a lot of conditioning which will be on the terms of the belief system he may having, which may be on the basis of the understanding which he got, or it may be based on the family system which he came across or which he came from. So these things make a belief system on men, and this is just perception, and this perception will not allow the men to see the room as it is. From the great Guru Adida Samraj says, you should be capable to see the room as it is. So most of the men or the women or the human beings as such are not capable to see the world as it is. The result is constant stress, tension and things like that. They will never experience something so called blissfulness or the bliss. And by taking out all this conditioning or deconditioning the humankind, every human has the opportunity to experience the transcendental state or the blissful state. To achieve that, from the knowledge which I got from my teachers, from the books, from the ancient books and things like that, I developed a method. It's a 3-layer method, and of course it's based on tantric understanding. When I'm referring to tantra, it's not just about sexuality. You should understand that in tantra the term sexuality as such is wrong. It's called love making. And by being love making, you could submerge into the ultimate blissfulness or the ultimate consciousness, so called absolute or Brahman or Tat. That is what Upanishad says, the Tat. So I made some system, and by joining this particular empowerment program, you will get access to this yogic method or the yoga method, and also you will get access to job offers without being in a state of security. You will not be able to think about the spirituality as such. Even if you think also, it may end up on the terms of business, like you will offer something to God and God will give something in return. So that will be on the terms of business. But when you are secure and you are in a position to take up further learning, or you will be in a position, if you are in a position to go further into the learning of the spiritual realm, you could actually experience the ultimate. This is what the Swami Vivekananda also says. So why I am saying is this, because in the empowerment program you will also receive job offers, cryptocurrency updates, and the better investment decisions, things like that, and many things are there. If you go through that particular page, you will understand. So these are the three major things I offer. Apart from these three major things, you could also purchase the things which is needed to engineer you, like yantras, rudrakshas, and things like that. So these are the things I offer, and you could find more details about me on my website and my YouTube channel. There are much more videos about the tantric understanding and the self-realization and the going further or going beyond into this subjective existence.